Okay, so the brake, we had problems where it was, at the beginning it was super good, but then it kind of loosened up and now it's not really doing anything. So the Odyssey brakes just have a little adjuster, I don't know if you can see that, adjuster right here, and you just twist it in and that'll tighten up the brake. So we just got to adjust this to the perfect point and then the brakes will be good.
Yeah, and then after that what we'll do is we'll test the carburetor, just basically jack it up and rev the hell out of it and see if it breaks up or anything. Hopefully not, because I'm kind of sick of throwing money at this thing. Alright, so now let's see if it likes the new carb.
Okay, so we kind of figured out how to tune this thing nicely and think we have the brake pretty good.
Yeah, so I think on that note, we'll load her up in C10, take her out, and cross our fingers, and hopefully it drives good.
That definitely seems like an improvement. That thing's hauling.
Yeah, no, like Jason just said, it's definitely a huge improvement. But it's still not getting into, it doesn't feel very, like, it's way more solid, don't get me wrong, but it's still not, like, it's not like the Odyssey, like, crazy power. It feels like Spudnik did, our 420 kart, but this thing definitely has a lot more power than that thing, so should really haul. So what we'll do is we're just gonna lean out the carb, or just the mixture on the carb just a little bit. Yep, I feel like we're in the general range, but now we just need to do a little bit more fine tuning.
Definitely need some more carb tuning. That wasn't right.
What do you think? Too lean or too rich?
I'm gonna just try and completely redo it. Okay. Turn it all the way in, turn it back out, 1.5.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, 1.5.
Cool. Honestly though, like if it gets too lean, that's like really good. That's a really good sign for us because we've been battling it being super rich, and overflow on the carb's doing pretty good.
Yeah, it's not pouring.
Yeah, it's not pouring out gas like it was before. Cool. Look at that. That feels a little lean, right?
Yeah, I think it is a little lean. Because it's supposed to be 1.5 to 2. So we have it 1.5, so we're going to try 2. Okay. And then we'll go for some custom.
Yeah, maybe work. A little more or less. I mean, who knows? We got a board cylinder here and stuff.
So that is 2.
Hey, at least she's pretty.
Yep. Looks good.
She might not run good, but she looks good. Nah, it runs pretty good. Way better, for sure. working on the brakes.
Yeah, I can't use this hand for the brakes either.
Oh yeah, he's got stitches from shop accidents.
So, yeah, it kind of kicks into higher gear a little bit. I mean, also,
Launch was much better.
so yeah, it could, I don't know, it feels odd. I mean, maybe get a new muffler on this would actually really help, because I mean, there's like a crack there, holes there, everywhere. So, I mean, that could, because that kind of, exhaust kind of works like a camshaft almost, so maybe that'd help. I don't know. We're gonna try one more turnout. Have a 3 turns out.
Yeah, sure. Honestly, like, I mean, I don't mind driving the Odyssey. I'm pretty sure you guys don't mind watching, like, us ripping around in it, even if it's not at full potential. I mean, it's just so cool, and like, we have like 5 videos into the build, so we might as well just show everything we're doing. So when you're building your Odyssey, you can not do what we're doing wrong. So cool. I think, yeah, if we can't get it right, we'll try DG pipe and come back out here, but yeah. So we're testing the extremes. We had 3 turns out and it sounded way too nasally, like it was rich. That was just all the way in. So at least we know that we're getting somewhere with the fine tuning. So I'd say we get it as close as we can and just have fun with it. And then next video should be putting the DG pipe on. Yeah, because yeah, we'll just add more shiny parts until it runs good. So. But now I'm excited for that DG pipe, and they've been waiting forever for us to get that video out, so we're getting there, The Odyssey just had different ideas, so. Would you look at that crack right there? That is horrible. Well, this kind of sucks. Our exhaust is kind of getting exponentially worse and the engine's kind of starting to run worse, so kind of have a correlation there. We're gonna look on the forums a little bit, and if not, we're just gonna make it so the engine's happy and send it, because we have so much work into this thing and not that much driving, so just keep driving. Awesome, guys. Like, that's the thing, like, we're complaining about how like it doesn't like seem like it's getting in the power band and stuff, but don't get me wrong, this thing is stupid fast. We just know the potential, and we're just super excited to get it there. So it's just so close, so close. This is something else right here. Wow, that is ear piercing. Absolutely ear piercing. I'm pretty sure the expansion pipe's like toast. Kill switch broke too, and throttle kind of stuck.
Oh, jeez.
It's fun though, man. You're getting sideways.
That got loud, like a lot louder.
Yes. No, it's ear.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, oh, oh.
Ow. Yeah, no wonder it hurt my ears. So it got more power because of that. So I'm expecting that DG pipe to really like make this thing actually have power now. I mean,
Oh, bro, it broke in like 3 places.
There was definitely some structural weaknesses there. There's somebody else ripping a 2-stroke over there.
Dude, I hear it. They're shredding.
They probably have working exhaust.
Yeah, how about that?
So yeah, we got some work to do, but
That's so
it's promising.
funny.
Like,
yeah, no, like,
I think if we do a little bit of carb tuning plus the DG pipe, I think this thing's actually going to be like as it's intended.
yeah. Or it just got stupid lean once the pipe fell off.
Yeah, that's we should try some tuning, yeah.
But, okay, well, cool. I'm glad. I was kind of disappointed because I didn't think we'd get any good ripping in, but yeah, bro. But when it went by, it probably distorted the audio because that was ear piercing.
Yeah, dude, it like made my ears feel fuzzy. Like,
that's awesome.
I don't know.
Yeah, we should probably get out of here because I'm sure everyone in the zip code heard that one. So.
Yeah.
Well, on that note, well, I'm not going to do a traditional outro, but thank you guys for watching. It's really fun. Again, leave recommendations, but probably by the time this video is out, we're already going to be on to installing the DG pipe, but who knows. So, thank you for watching. Thank you, Go Power Sports. From Go Power Sports on this thing, we got tires, snorkel tubing, gas tank, seat belt, tie rods, wheel hubs, you know, just the works. Everything's gonna be in the description. So cool, thanks for watching, have a good day, see you next time. Subscribe for Odyssey DG content.